All right, you guys. Got my daughter-in-law Desiree ready to catch some fish. About to do that there. We covered up all the snake holes. Cut the trees. Looking out for the alligator because they said they got one. I think I put your own thing of worms right there. Alright. Oh, Lord. Yes, we got one. Banging it up. Watch this. Yeah. I break it. Those are so big. Look. As soon as we go in there. Bitty 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 up, bibbity bop.
Having trouble breaking it, just squirming. Ew.
Come on. Marlon said that too. He was like, "Babe, I hope it's biting because of the it's hot and it's sunny." I was like, "Yeah, they should." Look, let me go under this tree. That's where we was last time, under this tree right here.
You are dead, sir. Calm down.
Look. That's what's up. That's what's up.
Got one?
Already though. Already. See, I had to come over here because of the sun. But when the sun go away, under that tree is where they be at. There you go. Oh yeah, you fishing with the one that Marlon likes to fish with, that weird court. But he love that court.
The court?
Mm-hmm. I got a bunch of those going. I know, baby, this is the kind they have on TikTok. Okay.
Oh, Lord.
I said, well, I got a bunch of those. If you want them, you can do your thing. I'm about to cut these down too. Born and raised in Louisiana. I think it took it. I didn't put a full worm on there. That was my bad. You might have to go a little more shallow than what that one is.
Pull it back and throw it again?
Well, it might be bobbing something. Cause look, this is about how shallow I am. I think Mona had that one deep for some reason. It's a beautiful day. I'm just making sure ain't no tatars here before I take my shoes off. That's when I be cool. I don't know how y'all do it with socks on outside. Couldn't do it.
Probably take them
Oh.
off again, too.
Oh. It was there though. It was there. He was getting it. Yeah, let me fix your quick. And if you don't like that kind, I can switch you to one of these too. But those are good. Take all these grasses up. I know last time they were so big. Where is that? I'm gonna get it. Oh, took your worm. Took your shit. Ugh. Yeah, I can't breathe with these shoes on, brother. Oh, damn. Ooh, let me do like them. Set my thing. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Let me let y'all see this. Take it out. Take it out. Oh. Oh, I thought I let it go. That's what you did. Oh, look at that pretty son of a gun right there. That's a pretty one right there. Didn't even get my one. Marlon would say that's a warmouth. It's a nice slab right there. Yes, sir. Oh, shit, that was cool. I got a yellow flag on. Oh, girl. She said a knife or a worm. Where the knife at? Desiree say, where the knife at for the worm? I was thinking, what is she about to cut? The worm. The worm. All right. Now you got to spit on it. Spit on that dang worm. I said dang, YouTube. I said D-A-N-G. Let's get this party started. That was a nice one right there, brother. Mama said, hey, you can't smoke this. No black on YouTube. I said, why not?
That's what he said?
Yeah, I did. I don't think that's what done.
Oh, no.
Really did. Now you might have to pull it. Yeah, that's why I cut some of them. Like it's my yard, huh? Thank you, Rose and Rose's mama, Miss Linda. I appreciate this. That's where you need to be, all up in that little area right there. There you go. There you go. Hook it. Hook it, girl. Hook it. Reel it in, girl. Reel it in. There you go. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, Mom. When you go to grab it, you would hold this and make sure you go down because these little things are pokey. I'm going to hold it down for you right now. And then take this hit and then kind of go down and out. Even though we got the little boards on it. There you go. Look at you. Look at you. Yeah. She gonna be a fisherman yet, y'all? Look at this. She got that big old slab. I got this little bitty minnow that I'm gonna throw right back in this little pond. Sorry, little fella, you got your eyeball stuck. Try not to hurt him. I didn't. That's what I'm talking about, girl. Yeah, they right there.
Under that thing.
Cause see, I was sitting over there last time. The sun, like the shade, was right by that tree over there, and and I had found, cause she said that's where they all be at, right by that little island right there. But just now they didn't have no shade.
I'm about to say, let me try it, man. What's that?
Oh yeah, you getting it? Oh, you getting it already? You getting it already? This is 9 minutes. I'm gonna break them up.
Don't move. You're really big, okay? I'm scared.
Let's
flap.
see, y'all.
Fish whisper.
What you got? She said you really big. That is a nice one.
I don't know how to unhook this sucker.
Same
Where's
way
even
as the
hook
other
that
one.
though?
Same. Look,
Oh, I see.
clunk, clunk. Push in and then take out.
can't do it.
You got it, good.
It's in there.
You might have to rip his guts out.
I could do it, but Lord.
You got it, good. You got it.
Rip his guts out.
Rip it out.
1, 2, 3. Ah, God, get the fish.
Look what you did. Wait, it's gonna jump in.
You scared?
You done popped the whole line. On a perch. Look, and then the hook fell out.
Oh, man.
I didn't mean like that.
Oh, man.
I mean hold the hook, gun.
Where is that? You just got to double tie it?
Wait, where is it? Look, is that it? No, that's a leaf. Did it swallow it? It might have been still in his mouth.
It was like hooked in the throat part.
Yeah.
And I couldn't get it.
Open your mouth, little friend. Oh yeah, he swallowed
It's
it.
in there?
We'll get him when I kill him. When we chop his head off, we're gonna go in there and get him.
Yes.
She said, okay, for the record, I have needle nose pliers when that happens again.
Oh, yeah, that's right, huh? Right at the, yeah. I'm gonna do that next time.
Good job, Desiree.
I'm getting to it. I'm getting better.
Yeah.
I'm getting better.
Oh, look. Hang up. All right. So you're going to go through that, but give yourself some leeway so you can tie and tie and tie and tie.
You tied a bunch of times?
Yeah, like right there. And then just keep tying and tying and tying and tying. And then we're going to pull it tight to make sure it don't come loose. They got all kind of fancy ways to do it, but this works. It gets on Marlon and Kevin's nerves because I do it that way.
How they do it?
Oh, with them little loop-de-loop-de-loop and go
Oh,
through the
perfect
thing.
little
I'm
tie.
like, well, guess what? I do it. I string mine up in
It works.
0.5 seconds. And y'all still play. When you fish this bug, you ain't got time for all that for your fingers. Let me see that little loop. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, now take it and like go like that. And then I'll bite this way. That's country.
Okay.
And then here's your hook. You see that? This right here. You gotta push that down and out.
Oh, all right.
And then put the hook on it. And you in the game.
Back in the game.
Back in the game. Yeah. She said, I got that slab in there. Thought you knew.
Catch one of them catfish.
I know.
And I could really brag.
What? 44-pound catfish, Tevin, I think.
Oh, yeah.
I'll be like, Tevin, you ain't
We
ready
went
for this.
fishing there.
You ain't ready for I told him we was coming out here today. He say, sounds like fun. And it is going to be. You got it? Be careful, them hooks burn. They got that barb on there. Boy, Martha's son went fishing, but he went like catfishing with the bigger hook. That sucker went through his thumb like this, through and through. That's an emergency room visit.
My nails.
You got, I'm gonna get it. Yeah, they hard. Especially brand new ones, they hard. Please, Jesus, let the sun go down. Just give us an overcast. Even a little drizzle would be okay. I wouldn't be bad. Girl, that hook stick you in the lip. You gonna tell me the news? Let me see. Jesus. There you
Thank
go.
you.
You're welcome. Back in the game. Mop it up, girl. Mop it up.